What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making poor man's burnt ends. Ha! Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into some of these ingredients. We're going to start off with this right here. The go-to blend, salt, pepper, garlic from Fire and Smoke. Also going to be using this Shake Tasties all-purpose blend, Fire and Smoke. And later on in the day, we're going to be using this Kansas City sweet and smoky barbecue sauce. All right, the purpose of this right here for these burnt ends, burnt ends normally come from a brisket, but this is the poor man's version. Everybody knows that briskets are pretty expensive. So you just take you a beef chuck, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these in cubes. You can cook this whole, but I like the flavor better when you cut it beforehand. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by cutting these probably about 1.5 inch cuts, and then 1.5 inch, and then we're gonna season them up. All right. All right, so that was 2.5 pounds of beef chuck roast. This is what it looks like after you cut it down into your little cubes. I'm gonna go ahead and get a pan so we can go ahead and season them. All right, catch you in a sec. All right, I got my pan. I'm gonna go ahead and season these bad boys up. All right. All right, you want to go ahead and rotate them so you can get all sides. All right, this is what they look like after you season them up. We're gonna let these bad boys rest while I get the smoker ready. We're gonna be smoking these at 250 degrees. All right, catch you in a minute. All right, I got my grill set at 250 degrees. Let's go ahead and load these up. Just trying to make sure I got a little bit of room. Let that smoke penetrate through. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and leave these on till they reach probably 165 degrees. Probably take about 2 hours, and I'll catch you then. All right, these burnt ends have reached 165 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off and put them in a pan. We're gonna put some barbecue sauce in there and a little bit of butter. All right, catch you in a sec. All right, so I got them in the pan. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is get some of my barbecue sauce. And get some beef broth. And on top, we're gonna throw a little bit of butter. And it's about 90 degrees out here, so this butter is melting fast. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up, put it back on the smoker at 250 for probably about another 2 hours, or until they reach about 200 degrees. Alright, catch you in a sec. Alright, you guys, it's been about 2.5 hours on these burnt ends. They are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off this smoker, take them inside, let them cool down for about 20-30 minutes, and you already know what time it is. Alright, catch y'all in a minute. And there you have it, the poor man's burnt ends. Got that go-to blend, that Shake Tasties, got that Kansas City barbecue sauce on there. Man, it don't get no better than this. Very affordable. Still got the seasoning attached on there. Look at that right there. Check this out. Let's grab one. Check that out. Super tender. Look at that, just breaking apart. Come on, man. Don't get no better than this. Very affordable. Check that smoke ring. Come on, man. Come on. Man, you gotta try this. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Please make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Once again, my name is Trey. This is Master Blends. It's time to eat.